The two-judge bench of the Supreme Court on Thursday will hear a clutch of petitions seeking a special investigation into the Pegasus scandal involving allegations that opposition politicians, journalists and others were targets of Israeli spyware. Chief Justice NV Ramana and Justice Surya Kant are members of the bench. Senior journalist N. Ram, Shashi Kumar, CPM MP John Brittas and Advocate ML Sharma have petitioned the top court to direct the government to disclose whether it has obtained a license for the spyware or used it directly or indirectly to conduct surveillance of any kind. Well, let's go across to Vaidya for more on this. And Vaidya, this will be watched very, very closely by everyone, given that it's been such a political controversy. The opposition has been holding up parliament over this, demanding a probe into the entire matter.
Yeah, in the recent times, it's one of the sensitive issues to be taken by the Supreme Court, that too Chief Justice NV Ramana and Justice Surya Kant, who will become a Chief Justice after a few years. Both are hearing this case. In fact, on Friday, Kapil Sibal, appearing for N. Ram and others, requested the Chief Justice bench to list the case. Chief Justice agreed and said that next week, he would be hearing this. So he has listed on Thursday. So basically, the first petition was filed by ML Sharma, second one was John Brittas, the CPM Rajya Sabha MP, and third one is N. Ram and Shashi Kumar. So basically, these petitions want Supreme Court monitored special investigation team to probe this. They want a sitting or retired judge to head this panel. And N. Ram's petition basically says that Government of India should come to the court and clarify whether it has bought the snooping software from the Israel. So all these points will be discussed. Anyway, normally what happens is Supreme Court issues notice to the government, but I think the Attorney General as well as the Solicitor General will be present there to represent the government, and probably they inform something. So let's wait till Thursday. Thursday would be a very interesting hearing in the court number 1 in the Supreme Court.
All right, Vaidya, thanks so much for joining us with those details. Now, disclaimer, the NSO group, which owns Pegasus, admits that this is spyware and it's used to hack phones, but it says that it does business only with government and government agencies. The Israeli company says it does not corroborate the list of potential targets that have been reported by media companies around the world. The Indian government has said there's no substance to reports of Pegasus being used by it against opposition leaders, journalists and others, and NDTV cannot independently verify the authenticity of the list of those who were supposedly targeted.